Hello students, good morning. Dear student, we are discussing about the northern mountains, and in previous videos we saw the northern mountain Himalaya and its its important ranges, and we saw the advantage of Himalayas. The advantage of Himalayas. Now in today's video we are going to saw life in region. Dear student, before this we have already discussed about two or three states, and now the remaining part we are going to discuss today. So let's start. These are the states, these are the place which are located in Himalayan mountain, which are the part of Himalayan mountain. So here we are discussing about the most important places in the Himalayan ranges and their importance, their clothing, food items, occupation, festivals, and all the things. So in this series we are going to see the state. Today's state is Uttarakhand. Yes student, capital is Dehradun. Here I want to tell you Uttarakhand was the part of Uttar Pradesh, and it separates and treated as a separate state in year 2000. In 2000, Uttarakhand separated from Uttar Pradesh. Dear student, some languages spoken here: Hindi, Gherwali, and Kumaoni. Yes, these are the languages: Hindi, Gherwali, and Kumaoni. Next is climate. The plains are hot in summer and cold in winters. Yes, student. The plains of Uttarakhand hot in summer and cold in winters. The hill stations are pleasant in summers and quite cold in winters. And my dear student, Uttarakhand, we can see Uttarakhand have plain land and the hill stations are there also. So both type of lands are there. In both type of land, when we talk about the plain, in summertime there is hot temperature, and in night cold temperature, and in hill stations are pleasant in summers and quite cold in winters. Next is occupation. Farming is the main occupation. Yes student, farming is the main occupation of the people of Uttarakhand. Some places to visit. If you are planning, if you are going to plan for Uttarakhand, you can saw and you can visit these places: Gangotri, Mussoorie, Nainital, Kedarnath, and Badrinath. These are the beautiful places which attracts tourists. And our next state is Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Languages spoken in Sikkim: Nepali, Bhutia, Lepcha, and Sherpa. Yes student, these are the language which is spoken in Sikkim. Climate receives regular snowfall. Yes student, because of high altitude it receives regular snowfall. occupation of Sikkimese. The people of Sikkim are called Sikkimese. So we saw the people, the major occupation is farming, rice, maize, millet, wheat, barley, oranges, tea and cardamom. Cardamom is elaichi, are cultivated here. So some places to visit, famous places of Sikkim: Changu Lake, beautiful orchid nurseries, Gangtok, Lachong and Namchi. These are the important places where tourists visit. Meaning of horticulture. Yes, student. Horticulture means cultivation of fruits, flower and in gardens or orchards. Orchard means bagicha. So it is called horticulture. And next hill station is Darjeeling. Yes, student. It is very beautiful hill station. It is located in West Bengal. Languages spoken: Bengali, English and Nepali. These are the three main languages which is spoken in this region. And climate. The climate of Darjeeling is hot, humid summer, cold winters. Yes, student, hot, humid summer, cold and winters. And next is occupation. Occupation of the people of Darjeeling, you can say in West Bengal: cultivation of rice, jute and tea. Yes, Darjeeling tea is very famous. Next is some places to visit. Here are some important places where we can visit are Tiger Hill, Zoological Park, Rock Garden, tea plantations. So these are the places where we can visit. So dear student, today we are going to conclude this lesson and we will start new lesson in our next video. You can see here we are studying chapter 4 and I hope you have question and answer and all the exercise, the solution of all the exercise you have. So I am requesting you to complete your notebook, maintain your notebook properly and try to learn something. Try to learn something and prepare yourself for the exam. So good luck and have a nice day.